Well, okay, so my idea for today is AI is chatbot. So I'm doing around 30 to 35 presentations and speeches every year around AI. And very often I get in touch with decision makers and they tell me, yeah, AI, we know what AI is. AI is a chatbot. AI is a machine that we talk to, and the machine talks to us. And the machine takes the job of us humans, of us human beings. And what I prepared for today is AI is not, so on my behalf, in my opinion, AI is absolutely everything, but maybe not a good chatbot. Because my personal belief is that it will take a lot of time until chatbots are really smart. They are not, they are absolutely not today. But I would like to show you, take you over a very fast journey through some activities that we do in business that show where we see the real benefit of AI. And it's in processes and it's in back office. But let's have a closer look. So there is here, I have to read it. Yeah. It's the Delphi group. Yeah, the Delphi group says that probably 38% of our time we are searching for information and data. So let's be honest, I think 38%, it's an American company, but let it be 20%. Let it be 20% that we are searching for data and for information when we are working on our computers, And when I'm talking to the decision makers, they're really talking about their lack of knowledge workers. They are searching for talents, especially in Berlin. I know that some brands are really fighting to get some talents from the market, and it's absolutely hard for them. Some of them, like for example the bank N26, they're even thinking about leaving Berlin with a part of it because they're really getting out of good talents, for their business. And so what I think is, imagine we would have a workstation, we would have a place where we're working, the computer where we're working, where we don't need to search for anything. Everything is there. The computer sees exactly what we are out to do, sees the information that we are reading, sees the process that we are in, and gives us exactly the knowledge and the insights that we need to get things done. If so, that would mean that the lack of knowledge workers would not be that much of a problem than it is today. And this is our mission. This is our mission as ITyX. We are a company that was founded around 20 years ago in West Germany, in the near of Cologne. Nowadays we have three major locations, Cologne, Koblenz, and Pune in India. And our mission is really to have a workstation of the future where everything that you do on the workstation, everything in context may be of an interest to you, is shown on the screen. So no more searching, no more checking the documents that you need to open and need to read or need to know to get the case closed that you're working on. But everything you need to know is just in place. And we're doing this, as you saw, we're doing this for 200 companies. Some of them are among the 150 top companies of the world, like for example Samsung or IKEA. If you write an email, an unstructured, I'm coming already in the topic, if you write something unstructured to IKEA, there is a machine from ITyX reading it, getting it in the context of what you really want, who you are, and if an appropriate answer is there, or if there is someone who has the skill to serve you with your problems perfectly. That's the mission of IKEA, and our mission is to make sure that this workplace is really getting realistic. So, and to my person, I'm Andreas. I'm proud to be the president of the working group of the German Digital Association Bitkom, which is situated here in Berlin too. And I'm proud of it because it's such a real journey and a speed that's coming up at the moment due to the fact that we are a bit behind Chinese and American economy when it comes to talking about AI, but I have some good news. I'm absolutely sure and optimistic that we will play a good role in the future of AI within the next years. I have some examples to show you today. So basically what we do at ITyX is, and on the left side you see what we are famous for. It's #intelligent automation. So we help huge companies to get the meaning out of their emails and documents that get in. There are some companies like huge insurance companies that get around 250 million pieces of paper every year. And they have to find out who's writing, what it is about, what do we have to do, what happens, you know, is it of a high importance, is it of a low importance, and so on and so on. This is a perfect playground for AI to serve. In the middle you see our new project. It's called ITyX AG. It's a pure cloud-based, German cloud-based solution which is facing the service desk. So service desk people that are opening your complaints, for example, or trying to help you via Messenger if you have any problem in customer service. And the third phase, I will not be able to cover it today, is FILE. It's a spin-off of the university in Münster, actually, German company. And they started to use AI in just taking photographs with your smartphone. So you will see what I mean in one of the cases that I should describe to you shortly. Okay, so when we talk about AI and the meaning for companies, this is everything we probably know. It's about input management, reading documents, reading emails, extract data out of it, validate data, enrich data, give responses, look around fraud detection, for example, in the insurance area, robotic process automation. Some of the decision makers I talk to, they still don't know the difference between robotic process automation and AI, but that's another story. It's having to do with teaching them, take some time. Predictive analytics, but also topic monitoring. So most of the companies are not even able to have a real-time idea of what your problems or our problems as consumers are. They have no idea. If there would be people making, you know, marks on a piece of paper and telling their team leader, oh, today I had some problems with, you know, blue screens or whatever, they have no idea what's happening. So AI is playing a big role there too. But let me come to my wonderful topic of chatbots. You know, it's in German I say chatbots sind schon doof. But to be very polite here, the first time here, I said chatbots are not very smart, I guess, because you see the problem here in German. Chatbots are able to give us answers to recurring questions, no doubt about it. Easy, okay, great, it's great. But chatbots are not able to give us the feeling that we really have a good dialogue going on. And I'm not interested in what Google shows on a screen, you know, and in a situation. I would like to see it in real time working with some companies and brands. Until this is not happening, this will take some years. I'm not a chatbot fan, but I would like to show you the real success cases, what is really going on, and it has to do with paper, actually. And I'll show you some 3 or 4 examples. We run through this very, very fast. So one example is if you build a house or if you want to buy a flat in Berlin, which is probably impossible nowadays, I've heard, for everyone. But if you imagine you would buy a flat in Berlin, so what you need to do is you give lots of paper to the banker, you know, check what is my earning, what is my income, what to know about the house or the flat that you want to buy. And all this information is actually, you see it here, actually we put it in as pieces of paper, and actually there are really people scanning it and putting it into a form. So we have an unstructured information and data, and there are people, we pay them, and they do the whole day, it's not a very good job, believe me, they do the whole day capturing of information from your pieces of paper in a form, so that someone at the end can draw a decision whether you are allowed to do this mortgage or not. You know? So actually, we found out that we are able about 70% by now, but we believe that we are running up to 85% of all this data captured in the documents, in the paper, can be put out of the paper with AI automatically, and with a false positive rate that is extremely small. So really very realistic and very strong. So lots of companies are now very much interested to help and use the technology so that the decision maker is able to drive decisions faster and more precisely. Another example is this company. It's a software company that's active in 200 countries. They're using AI from Germany, for example, to make sure that the heterogeneous order management is being able to be read automatically. So let me talk about this for 1 second. They have the problem, everyone is ordering on his own way or her own way. So some are writing an email, send me some 20 buckets of beer or something. Others are using their SAP forums, others are using a fax form or whatever. So they're really paying people for the stupid work to read every form, type it into their SAP to make sure that the 20 bucks of beers are coming to your place, right? Okay? And so what they do today is using AI to categorize the content, review the status, and put everything into the SAP. And actually, up to 95% of the typewritten orders are being processed automatically. And so what does it mean for the people? You know, the stupid work of reading a piece of paper and typing some numbers into an SAP form is just gone. And there is room for some more creative work and some more exception handling. Okay, last topic before I go and close this one is, let us take maybe, let us take that one. So another example, imagine if you would like to rent a place, like a flat with Yuri's place, you want to rent it. In Germany, Yuri takes your contract, brings it to the bank, and you have to bring a deposit, right? So you have to pay a deposit of 1 or 2 months in advance, so if everything goes wrong, you know, this deposit is with the bank. So what does Yuri do? Takes the contract with me, brings it to his bank, and say, open an account for Andreas deposit, right? Okay? And so there is the same. There are lots of information in this contract because no contract about his flat is the same like yours. Every contract has its own specialty, right? No contract is the same. And so AI is helping co-workers here in the banks and in the mortgage processing or in the rent processing to make sure that this copy-paste work is done. Okay, I have to skip all this. What is making the difference? Yeah, the difference is we are using lots of boosting methodologies, but I have to run through this like this. I'm sorry. We are using lots of algorithms, and we are famous in the boosting. That means we try to find out who is doing the mistakes. With every transaction, we are trying to cut down the amount of mistakes, and this is why our false positivity rate are extremely low, and until today we have never ever lost the benchmark. But, you know, that's the one side of the story. The other side of the story is we're doing this for medium-sized to large companies, so really processes in a mass, you know, lots of pieces of paper, lots of emails. What we're doing now, we have invented Takeout, as I told you. Give it a try. It's a multi-channel service desk software who's doing this for smaller and medium-sized companies. You can try it. It's free. It makes your agents and co-workers to service superstars because they see everything they need to know about a case due to AI. And if you want to give it a try, give it a visit. Takeout.com. Yep, and in case you want to drop me a line, please do so. I'm willingly answering it. Thanks for having all people here. You are nice. Thank you.